Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best snack tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HOMF Bamboo Snack Table Coffee Sofa Couch End Table. This snacks table is simply the best. It can hold your snacks and laptop. Its bamboo material is sturdier than plastic. Also, it has a modern design, making it perfect for your home and office. Its retro color equally makes it fitting furniture for every room in the home, be it the living room or bedroom. Moreover, the snack table is made of 100% natural bamboo, and it is lightweight. It is eco-friendly and non-toxic. Aside from being multifunctional, the snacks table is equally convenient and easy to assemble. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the reclaimed wood look finish black frame snack side magazine end table. This brand of snack can function as an end table. It fits any room in the home, like the dining room, bedroom or living room. It can also feature as an accent piece, decorative display table, laptop desk, and lamp desk. Besides, it can accentuate home interior decor and small enough to fit into a small room. Furthermore, it is made of materials like hardwood and metal. Its various finishes are faux reclaimed wood and black, with its top made of reclaimed wood. At number 3, we have the PJ Wood Snack Table Natural Tray TV Table. The product comes with a natural finish and wooden frame. It is made using solid plantation rubber wood and bears a single rectangular top. It comes pre-assembled, so, no need to worry about assembling it. Additionally, the styling is modern and safe for end users. It is also stable, durable and multifunctional. It can be folded easily and ideal for holding laptop, drinks, foods and snacks. Besides, the snack table can be stored easily and fits the living room perfectly, aside from being easy to clean. At number 2, we have the SONGMICS Snack Table Sofa Side Table Brown. The product is heavy-duty and can act as a side table for your living room. The wooden top is brown and has a sturdy C-shape. Its metal frame provides additional durability. Additionally, the product is easy to install. The feet are fitted with plastic adjusters to prevent them from scratching the floor. It can fit under a low-clearance sofa and can also hold your snacks, cups, remotes, and iPad. Moreover, it can support book reading, while you enjoy your dessert, food, and coffee. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coaster 900,280 Snack Table Brown Burnished Copper Base. This brand of snacks table features burnished copper base. It is styled traditionally and comes in a beautiful scroll design. Moreover, it has a dimension of 16 inches by 9 inches by 22.5 inches LXWXH. You can enjoy free shipping when you buy from Amazon. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.